Okay, so we want to record what we're doing from a POV style, right? But we don't have some type of phone mount to hold it here. That way, while we're working with our hands, we can record what we're doing with our hands, and we're trying to do this on a budget, right? So I found some Romex wire on the job site, and let's see if we can make a POV phone mount kit to kind of just like record what we're doing with our hands in front of us with $0 invested. So here we go. First, straighten it out a little bit. Remember, this is copper, so it bends to a certain extent, and we can shape it. So this piece right here, this is about maybe 4 feet. All right, first we're gonna shape it to our neck, right? Okay, and then we're gonna aim for about the center of our chest, put our 2 thumbs and push it in. Boom. Get that nice tight neck mount shape. All right, so this is just where it's gonna sit on our chest, and we're gonna do something here to make the phone stay. Wait, but when it comes time to take it off, it's a little too tight. Yeah, so instead of shaping it to our neck, instead let's shape it to our head. All right, same thing, about center of our chest, we're going to use our 2 thumbs and press it in. All right, now nope. Let's open it up a little more. All right, we'll want to make like a circle, like a light bulb. All right. And that should easily come off. Nice. So the thick side is on the inside, and now we're gonna curl it. Right, watch. We're gonna curl up. Got it? So the wide side, which was on the inside, kind of rotates to the outside. Now we got the wide side to hold our phone. This is just an older phone for demonstration purposes, but usually the camera's right here or right here. We need to come up with a way that this is not going to slide or cover up our camera. Now I was thinking to use some black tape, but you know how sticky this tape gets, right? And eventually it'll leave a black residue. So instead, let's go with white, because the white doesn't leave a residue. So we're gonna find the distance that we need to be, right? And we're gonna take our tape. I'm using electrical tape, but really you could use any tape that you have laying around. Okay, now it's not going to separate, right? All right, so it's going to sit something like that, and in our camera, if it were here or here, it's going to be good. But the phone's going to fall out, so we need to fix that problem. Also, I'm going to take my electrician pliers and cut these a little shorter. All right, next let's take some wire, take some 12 solid copper. We're gonna put it into place. We're gonna bend it to the shape of the phone. We need it to sit nice and tight in there. We'll put just a little more bend in it. right? And take that and bend it just a little bit more. All right. There. That's going in nice and tight. We want to make sure that we're not covering the camera, which will probably be right here. The phone that I'm recording on, the camera's right here. Now let's take these two ends and bend them tightly around the phone. Now we don't want this to slide up and down, right? So let's take the phone out, and we know we need it to sit here closer to the bottom, but this wire is really loose, so let's attach it. So let's take our white tape, and let's tape the ends together like this. You only need like a 1-inch piece of tape. And now we'll secure the other end, so everything will be nice and tight at the shape that we want it. But now we also need this piece to stay in place. So let's grab some more tape and tape it down. See, we're going to tape the front side to the yellow wire, which will leave the back side open where our phone's going to go. And don't worry, we're not making this thing to look nice. We're making it for functionality. And I'd rather have too much tape than not enough tape. Wouldn't want the phone to fall out and break. Alright, check that out. Okay, I'm going to put the camera into video mode. And then we're going to slide it into place. And let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like from my point of view. And man, it's so much easier being able to use two hands instead of one. I can work on some projects. You can see me walk over here and take a break. Ooh, that looks refreshing. Cheers to you, and cheers to me. So we got our POV chest mount, and it easily slides off our head whenever we're done.